करें, 2 मिनट्स काफ़ी रहेंगे, 2
Okay,
मिनट्स काफ़ी रहेंगे.
okay, 2 minutes for every uh, slide.
हाँ,
So everyone,
फॉर एवरी स्टेशन 2 मिनट्स और फिर उसके आंसर के लिए 1 मिनट, तो 3 मिनट के अंदर हम एक पूरा स्टेशन रैप अप कर देंगे. 3
okay.
to 4 मिनट्स ऐसे.
See, you can see the slide share now. Slide
जी
show.
प्लीज़, जी जी प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू करें. जी प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू कीजिए.
Okay, I have some problem.
दोबारा इसको शेयर स्क्रीन करके देख लीजिएगा अगर आपको
Okay,
प्रॉब्लम हो
it's
रहा
okay. I
है.
think it's
ओके.
internet speed. So this is the
ओके.
first question. It is a 50-year-old female with STEMI. She is in cardiogenic shock and is on inotropes in the CCU, Cardiac Center, Bahawalpur. So the question related to this images are, what are the findings? What is the diagnosis? And what is treatment of this problem? So let's see.
So the time starts now. One minute is up.
Okay, we are going towards the key.
Okay, 2 minutes up, please.
So the key is, it is an apical four-chamber view. There is a hyperkinesis of the basal segments and there is akinesia of the distal LV segments. So there is LVOT, late peaking pressure gradient, which has been shown by the CW Doppler application, and SAM is clearly visible in the 2D image, which is very beautiful. So patient of STEMI on inotropes in cardiogenic shock. It is, the diagnosis is dynamic LVOT obstruction. We saw this patient at the night and we did the echo short study, we diagnosed it and we recorded it, and then we hydrate this patient and we give beta blocker despite being 60 by 40 millimeters of mercury blood pressure. And after about 16-18 hours, patient was totally out of inotropes, blood pressure was completely stable and out. So the treatment was hydration and beta blockers.
तो सर
So
आई विल
there,
रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप इस पर सैम भी दिखा दें एक दफ़ा, और नेक्स्ट जो आपकी
yes,
कॉन्टिन्यूस डॉपलर है उस पर जो डैगर शेप है वो भी दिखा दें.
if you see the tips of the mitral valve in the late systole, you can see when they join together, they move towards the septum and they make contact with the septum. So in the 2D image, you can clearly see the coaptation zone in the end of the systole turn towards the septum and it makes a contact with it. So it creates a LVOT obstruction. This was a real patient, female patient, now is in our follow-up for the last 3-4 months and she is completely all right. Otherwise, she was on a triple ino spot. So when you find a patient with pansystolic murmur or any like systolic loud systolic murmur and on cardiogenic and cardiogenic shock, so always think of SAM out of VSR. So another possibility is VSR, but this is the one real lively case. You can see clearly the SAM, and so so this is
Uh,
you can see the murmur, the gradient, CW application at the aortic valve, and you can see the dagger shape or late peaking or its typical appearance. So coming to the next slide.
ग्रेट सर, इट वाज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग केस। और मैं यहाँ पे जस्ट कैंडिडेट्स को कहना चाहूँगा कि यूजली एमआर एंड वीएसआर पे हम ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेट करते हैं और हम डॉपलर डाल के उसमें ढूंढने की कोशिश भी कर रहे होते हैं, बट डायनामिक एलवीओटी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इज़ वन ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंटेड कॉम्प्लिकेशन इन इवन एसीएस। आप इफ़ आई रिमेंबर करेक्टली, आप टोपोल के जो कॉम्प्लिकेशन वाला चैप्टर है, आप उसमें जाकर रीड आउट करें, आपको ये वहाँ पर मिलेगा। जी सर, प्लीज़।
So this is 22 years old male patient who presented with palpitations and shortness of breath. So questions related to this image are: what views have been shown in these images? What are the main findings in each? And what is the treatment of this problem?
ओके, सो द टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। One minute is up.